Hey, tech besties, welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. This is K. Let's Talk Tech. So, I want to talk to you about my announcement that you can see on the screen. In a couple of weeks, on December 16th, between 3 and 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I am having a workshop, an introduction to AI workshop for business leaders. You can be associated with a business of any size. If you are a solopreneur, a micro business, a small business, a mid-sized business, an enterprise organization, anyone associated with business who wants to understand AI, what it can do for your business, what it cannot do for your business. This is the workshop to be at. Do not miss this workshop. In this workshop, I am going to explain it to you in plain English. I will show you some examples, and you will walk away understanding what this AI thing really truly is and what it can really truly do for you. If you want more information, you can go to aidecemberintro.eventbrite.com, and that will explain to you more about the workshop. If you want to know more about me and my background, go to my website, kaetalkstech.com, and look at my background and see what I have to offer. There's a lot of people out there doing workshops, but I think my perspective is unique because I'm a former developer, so I understand the technologies from the inside out. And I have worked in pretty much every role associated with software development, from developer through product manager. Um, I'm also a certified product owner, product manager, project manager, um, process analyst, scrum master, and a couple of other things. I have some methodology certifications. So I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, as they say. I've been in tech almost 30 years. Um, and while I won't be going for another 30 more, I certainly still enjoy and love it. And I would be happy to explain to you any question you have around AI. So come out and I'll see you then. Like, share, subscribe, tell your family, tell a friend, tell anyone that this might benefit. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.